Welcome to Dasco. In this video we're going to show how to best install the shrink sleeve material in the Cab Squix M sleeve printing system. So we're going to take our material here and we want to push it out of the print head and come in from the side. Down inside of here we have a black bar that comes all the way out that has this yellow light mounted to it. We want to make sure the material is underneath that black bar and is underneath this bottom set of rollers on the back. Now we can hang on to the front and the back here, and we want to work this material over so it goes between these two red guides. The light is centered right in between them. If you're dealing with extremely small material, you want to make sure that that red light or yellow light is right over the top of that material. Once you have the material loaded, you want to adjust your guides to make sure it is snug. Nothing too tight that could cause the material to jam or anything like that, but just snug enough that it'll fit right in there. When you're all done with that, we can load our lock our print head down in place. When that is all set, if we look over here on the screen, we are going to have the cutter option, and the cut will be there. The only time that you can see the cut on here is if a cutter is installed on the printer. We can hit cut right there and it's going to cut the material. You are loaded and ready to go. Now, if you have a perforation cutter and you would like to set the perforation depth, we need to go into our settings, into our setup, into our cutting, and right here you have perforation level. Your perforation level at 0 is going to provide you a full cut. If you want to do perforation cutting, you want to move this down to a negative number. So you want to go into the 8, 9, 10 negative area. The lower you go, the more it's going to perforate, or it's going to snap apart even harder. So once you set that down there, you can get it to a level, you hit your check box, and then when you're there, you can now return back to home, and it will perforate for you during your cutting to that level that you do set. What you're going to need to do is a little bit of adjusting if you're perforating based upon the material, so you may need to adjust that, so that's something to remember exactly how to do that. That is loading the material and making sure we set the perforation cutter. Thanks for watching. If you don't see what you need here, give us a call at Dasco. We're here to provide solutions that meet your needs. 800-927-7701 or contact us at dasco.com.